This bathroom is important to update because this is the first one people see and use, so they can't wash their hands. So our goal would be to paint the ceiling and then change the colors of the walls, and then do the design. That would be, you will see what we're going to do, and then hopefully it will change the whole outlook of that, and then it will look much more modern and matching our other design in the house. So the room looks like that, and the ceilings are very tall, so it will be a little bit difficult to paint, but we're up for the challenge. So first of all, we got this flat white ceiling paint, and we needed to update our ceilings first, and remaining of the paint we will probably use as a primer. And then instead of us building our own wall design, we would a little bit cheat, and we bought this easy to install panel frames. We bought several sizes, and then we will try to match it to what we want to have. As well as we bought something similar to this, and then I will show it to you later. The paint for the bathroom itself, since it's only powder room, we bought eggshell, Sico Classic. It was on sale, so we decided to go for it. It was only $35. And this is a color. It's a little bit bluish gray. I'm not sure if you can see. This is the numbers if you want to do the same. Relax navy, eggshell. So we are planning to do this darker color with the design on the wall. So we're thinking of cutting it up here, removing the towel rack from here, and probably transfer it either here or there. And then this one has to be cut, so it will be in somehow this space. And then that part would go right here. Yes. And then we'll paint everything with the same color. I will have 4 here. Yeah, we'll have 4 here, yep. Hi, what are you doing now?
I'm measuring for the equal gap of the square.
Okay, so you're marking it out and drawing it?
Yeah.
I don't think it can be seen much, the pencil, but yeah, so we can see where the design go. So it's easier to do it later. You did great so far.
Thank you.
Find it there, and then we have to cut it. Yeah, here you cut a little bit more, so you added another piece. Puzzle. It's like a puzzle, and then we're gonna cut another side here. Oh, you already finished this side. Looks good. Also, as you noticed, we haven't actually filmed how we painted the ceiling and how we applied the primer, because it's quite straightforward. I don't think anybody needs guidance on that. After cutting different parts of material, we glued them, and then we applied putty for the holes to cover, and then obviously after it dried out we have to sand it so the painting would be nice and smooth. So this is currently what I was doing. How's the project going?
I'm still mixing.
Are you enjoying so far? You did so well. I almost didn't help you. All I did is prep.
Nothing.
Well, I did prep. I'm gonna help you paint.
I remove all the prep.
Oh, what? We're about to paint. What's gonna happen now? You're just joking, right? Are you joking?
No.
Oh my God, let me go check it out. I don't believe her. Let me see. Still here. I'm wearing again my painting pants. If you remember it from the first video, they have tons of eagles on them. They're quite ridiculous, but they work well because I'm not afraid to ruin them. This project is very hard because the ceilings are very tall and there is limited space because there is a toilet and sink, and so you have to really be able to squeeze in a small space. I painted first corners and hard to reach areas, and then everything else pretty much. Painting the material was quite hard because there's a lot of small crevices and areas, so at times I even use a tiny brush to cover some of the areas, so make sure you have different sized brush to be able to do that properly. And then I had backup for rolling the remaining areas.
Oh no. Oh no, no, no.
Okay. There's no space for me here.
Yeah, there's no space. This is just a one-man band.
You want me to get out?
Yeah.
Kicking me out.
I'm gonna copy this 37. You know?
I love your shoes. First, we have to apply some glue, just so when we install it, it wouldn't fall down
On me.
on anyone.
Just in case there's no stud.
We're using this lip page glue adhesive, and then after you apply the glue, you can go ahead and nail it. Ideally, it would be nailed with a nail gun, but since our multi-tacker is jammed, we have to apply manual power, unfortunately. Okay, and this one goes up where? In front of the sink?
No.
On top of the sink or where?
That's how you do it.
This a tip for you when you just paint that you don't want to scratch the paint.
Well, as for us.
It's for us. We're not advising anybody to do so because it might be unsafe, but for us, since we have rubberized feet, it doesn't really move. So we make sure we have this towel so we don't scratch on your paint. We apply it part by part because we cut it so it's easier, and we have more pieces though to attach. Our nail gun broke down, so we had to manually actually hammer it in. That was quite annoying. Now he's installing the toilet paper holder. We decided to change the space because now we have design there. And now it's in a perfect spot. Previously we had an issue where the toilet paper would fall all the time, but now the installation is so much better, so it's not in the way. And feel free to share what you think about our updated bathroom. I think it turned out very well. What do you prefer? Dark red or gray? This soap dispenser we got actually from the thrift store. It was such a great purchase. It was only $7, and this is beautiful. It looks like a, I don't know, dessert or ice cream. Every time I use it, I'm very happy. However, I'm still thinking of how to attach this soap dispenser, something on the side of the wall, because it would be nice to have some shelf or something to make sure it doesn't fall because it's glass, because here it doesn't really, it stays here, but then again I'm afraid it might drop. So this tray we actually purchased in Ikea. Here's the number of it. It was quite cheap and it was for the flower pot tray. So what we did is that we flattened this part and drilled 3 holes. Now we'll sand it and paint it, and then we will set it up for a soap holder. I think it's a good solution and it's cheap and you don't need to purchase anything else. Easy one, because I'm thinking of using this orbital sander, this anti-soil item, just to make it faster. Let me see. A lot of time, honestly. So the point of the sanding is to make sure that the shine goes away. Let me see if you can see it. But it stopped being shiny, and now we will be able to paint it properly. Here is an update. We made DIY holder for the saw. It's metal, sturdy. It cost us maybe $5 or less. And it works so well for this limited space because there's no space for shelf. Let us know what you think. I think it looks pretty great. We painted all gray. We really hope this video inspired you to do your own bathroom update. Let me know in the comment below how much do you think it cost us to renovate this bathroom, and please like, subscribe. Thank you and have an amazing day.